Hello students, and welcome to the second video of circles from solutions from Source classes. In this video we'll be solving this problem, which seems to be a very simple one. Okay, so what do? The lines 3x minus 4y plus 4 equals 0 and 6x minus 8y minus 7 equals 0 are tangents to the same circle. Okay, the given lines are 3x minus 4y plus 4 equals 0 and 6x minus 8y minus 7 equals 0. Now these are basically tangents to the same circle. Now we are required to find the radius of the circle and the center of the circle, which lies on which line. We are required to find the equation of the lines or the line on which the center of the circle lies on. Alright, so the given lines, these are parallel tangents to the circle. The diameter of the circle, okay, let me write that down. The diameter of the circle is equal to the distance between the two lines. So the required radius is half into 4 plus 7 by 2, and this is divided by root over 9 plus 16. Okay, so this is equal to half into 15 by 2 into 1 by 5, and this, if we calculate, will be equal to 3 by 4. So what we have is that this is 3 by 4, and so we can infer that the center of the circle, lies on the line parallel to the given lines at a distance 3/4 from each of them. So let the equation be 3x minus 4y plus k, where k is an arbitrary constant. Then, to remove that ambiguity, what is k, we will say that then k minus 4 by root over 9 plus 16 is equal to plus minus 3 by 4. And where did the plus minus come from? The plus minus came from this root part. Okay, so this will be equal to k equals 4 plus minus 15 by 4. Okay, so this is equal to, let's say, k is equal to 1 by 4 or 3 by 4. Okay, so we have two values of k. Now for k equals to 3 by 4, for k equals to 1 by 4, in fact, distance of one line from the other is also 3 by 4. Thus the center lies on the line 12x minus 16y plus 1 equals 0. And this is the required equation of your line. Let's see. So we have that the option C is correct, and we have that option A, that is the radius of the circle is 3/4, is also correct. So thank you for watching this video. We'll be back with more in the next video, so stay tuned.